Oh yeah, look at the size of that, boys. Oh my goodness.
Artlist.io.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Long time no see. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Gone Fishing. Sorry about not posting up videos, guys. I've been really busy. I don't know if you can see behind me. My new toy, I bought a 24-foot cabin cruiser boat. So no more kayak fishing, no more shore fishing starting next year. It's going to be just boat fishing. I'm going to do a lot of trolling for muskie, a lot of trolling for walleye. But today, it seems like the fall run has begun for the Detroit River. So we're going to get everything ready. We're going to head out to the river and start jigging for walleye, guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So we made it to the river. It's beautiful. The conditions are phenomenal, guys. So we're going to see if we can get into them. No wind. The water has a little stain to it. We're going to be using Lunker City Finesse Minnow 4-inch Pimp Daddy. I heard Pimp Daddy right now is awesome. So let's get everything set up and start fishing. Got him, boys. We got him. There we go. We got him. He hit it hard. Feels like a nice one. This feels like a good one, guys. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, you fucker. There we go, boys. We got him. Oh yeah, look at the size of that, boys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. He swallowed it. Holy shit. He absolutely swallowed it. Look at the size of this fish. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh, did he ever swallow it? I didn't bring pliers. See if I can get it out. Come on. Come on. I didn't bring no freaking pliers with me. Like an idiot. I think I got it. Nope. I got him. Look at that, guys. Wow. First one of the season. Let's take a picture. All right, guys, take a picture of this bad boy. He's huge. It's a good one for the first one of the season, man. That is a good one for the first one of the season. Come on. It's been a while. Look at the size of that. Beautiful. There we go, guys. Throw them on the stringer. Open up the stringer. There we go, through the bottom lip. Throw them in the river. Stay nice and fresh for my mom and papa. Make them a nice little walleye dinner. Oh, hell yeah. All right. See ya, buddy. We're gonna go for some more. There we go, guys. First one of the fall run. It was a nice one. Probably about 3-4 pounder. Right when I put on Bloody Mary. Lunker City. Bloody Mary finesse. Second cast, he hit it out far. Just tapped it. Make sure you set that hook, guys. Once you feel the tap, you set that hook. Let's go for a couple more. All right, guys, that's gonna end another episode of Gone Fishing. Guys, thanks for sticking around, staying tuned to my videos. I really appreciate it. I forgot my batteries and I caught another one, guys. So first time ever out for the fall run, and we caught 2 in about an hour. Not bad. I'm gonna go home and fillet them and give them to my mom and dad. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for the next one. Ciao.
Artlist.io